everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these individual lash extensions. They're by this brand right here, and they are the Plume lashes in their individual, what are they in luxury, and they are a 0.07 mix. They go from 10 millimeters to 16 millimeters. And this is a close-up on what they look like. So they look like they may be a C curl. I prefer a D curl, just because I like them to be really curly. But this looks like they may be a little out. I'm not sure. We'll have to try them on to see exactly what they are, but let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to do 16s, and then maybe 3 16 and 2 14, and we'll see how that works. I'm going to be using the Eyelash X Bond. I really do like this brand. They have amazing lashes and also really good bond. And then placing them on the lid, I just grab, pull like that. So I'm going to do 16s on this side, and then my 2 14s over there, so I can kind of get a feel where everything's at. So I like to bend the wand. I find that it's easier to apply the glue to the base of your lashes when you do that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to scoot in as close as possible to where you guys can see what I'm doing. And move my hair on my face, so it makes it easier so I don't get it. Okay. I just kind of open my eyes wide. Then I just grab the lashes where it's going to be most comfortable to apply them. Okay, so I did 3 16 and then 2 14, and now I'm going to do a 12 because there is a space right there. So I'm just getting the lash and putting a little glue right there. Let it get a little tacky. Okay, so that is what they look like put on. And then I'm going to take my tweezers. I'm going to let them get a little tacky, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to push them together. So looking at these, they're very wispy because of all the different lengths that they have. They're actually quite pretty. So this is before, this is after. That's from the side. On top. So very pretty. Let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what they look like once I'm done. Okay, so that's what it looks like with both eyes done. And then I'm just going to take these little tweezers. Make sure my lashes are nice and separated, and I'm going to push them onto my natural lashes, and that will help them to last a lot longer. In between, I like to wipe off the glue because it does get glue on it so that it doesn't stick. The only downside to putting the glue onto the lashes is you can see like right through here, it gets a little clumpy. If you put the glue directly on the back of the lashes, it doesn't do that, but when you kind of brush it through like the base of your lashes, it does get like that. You really can't tell, especially if you put some like eyeliner or something on. I usually smudge some brown liner on the back of my eyes to help just hide any imperfections, and it works really great. But these are really pretty lashes, as you can see. They're very nice. I love how they are like kind of wispy. You can see, let me go ahead and open them. You can see they start out low, like low segments, and then it gets longer, and then it gets shorter. So it's short, long, short. So it kind of looks like your lashes are pushed together, like every so often. It just gives it a really pretty look. So it blends a lot better. But yeah, so that is this lash set. It says NH. I don't know what that stands for back here, but it does say that. And they are, like I said, these lashes right here. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.